Hi, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for using OurChurch.com's WPEZ website builder. It's WordPress made easy. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the country ministry theme, which is also a music ministry theme, developed specifically for our WPEZ 2.0 website builder. Now, one of the things about WPEZ 2.0 is that it includes page templates which are pre-installed into your website when you select this theme. And so all of the pages that I'm going to show you here, they come pre-installed. All you have to do is swap out the images with your images and swap out the text with your own text, and you've got a great looking website in very little time. Alright, so we know that there are lots of music groups around the country, especially in the South, in the Midwest, groups that travel around. They perform at churches, at conferences, lead worship, things like that. And so we wanted to create a theme specifically for those ministries. So what we've got here is a kind of a traditional header here at the top with our navigation menu, and we've got a place for the name of your ministry and a slogan below that, some social media icons, and then I'll continue down and show you the rest of the home page which is included in this theme. You can see we've got an image slider which you can use to show pictures of your group. And then we have we've got an introduction here, a welcome from the leader of the group, or you might want to show a little picture of your group beside it as a way of communicating like you're welcoming people to your website. We've got contact information, a phone number, an address, email address, and a contact form here so that people can get in touch with you if they're interested in having you come to their church or conference or something like that. Alright, so that's a home page. Let's take a look at the About page. This is where you can give a little bit of information about your ministry, and maybe you'd want to include a story about how you guys got started and what you do, things like that. You notice that behind this image, or behind this section of text, we've got an image, and the image kind of slides along with the text. That is a parallax effect. That's what it's called, and that's supported in WPEZ 2.0, and you just need to swap out this image with your own image to have your own parallax effect. Alright, next page we've got audio and video. If you have video of your group in action, you can put that in here. You can either upload the video to your own hosting account and show it, or if you have it on YouTube or another video sharing site, you can embed that in here. There's also a place for audio only. If you do speaking or you want to include audio from a concert or something like that, you can do that so that people can have an idea of what you look like, what you sound like, if they're interested in bringing you in to be a part of an event. Alright, next up we've got a store. If you have music that you have recorded, or anything else, any other sort of products, shirts, whatever you name it, whether you have, you may want to sell it through your own website, or if you have it through another service, you can either use the PayPal cart that is built into WPEZ to sell it directly, or if you happen to have your things in another online store, you can link to the products in the other store. Next thing we've got here is schedule. You can put some information here at the top about how to schedule your group for an event, and then you can also include a calendar which will show when you've already been booked, so that people can either come to see you if they want to go to an event that you've already been booked for, or they can see when you're available. Either way. All right, we've got a place for a blog. Always good for musical groups or any other type of ministry, really, to tell the story of what's going on within the ministry. So you can share blog posts about what God is doing in your ministry, pictures and stories from events you've been a part of, personal stories from the members of your group, whatever you want to do to help build personal connections with your supporters and help them understand what's going on in your ministry. We've got a give page included. Most music ministries or country ministries or whatever are nonprofits that are supported by donations, and so you may want to include a way for people to give to you either one-time or monthly gifts. And last but not least, we have a contact page. This has a lot of the same information as was on the home page, but a lot of times when people come to a site, they may just be looking for the contact information in the navigation menu. So we've got address, phone number, email, and a contact form people can use to get in touch with your ministry. So if you do a music ministry or some other country-themed ministry, the country ministry theme may be right for you. We hope you've enjoyed this overview, and thanks for watching.